Since so many of you enjoyed the video that I created on how to use Whop clipping to earn money online, I decided that today we're going to see if we can earn money using Whop clipping within 24 hours. And we're going to do it without spending any money and using AI to help us create this content. So what exactly is Whop's content rewards program and how can we earn money from it? Whop is a platform where you can buy and sell different digital products and courses, and they released a content rewards program where different creators will pay you to clip their content and you can earn money from it. You create an Instagram reel, TikTok, or YouTube short of this creator, and they'll pay you, for example, $5 per every 1,000 views that you get on this piece of content. And we're going to do this using the help of AI so that we don't have to put much work in. Let's get straight into it. For step number one, we are going to join a ton of different Whop communities that are offering these content rewards programs. I'm going to specifically look for creators that are offering long form content that we can clip into short form clips for them. As we can see here, for example, Ambro Clips is one of the communities that I'm going to join, and we can turn his 2-hour clips into short form content. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Now that I've joined a ton of different communities, I'm going to choose one specific community to start off with in this video. As we can see here, Ambro Clips is offering $3 for every 1,000 views that you can get on their videos, and you need a minimum requirement of 10,000 views to get paid. This video must also be at least 10 seconds long, and it can be uploaded onto YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Plus, we have to take Ambro in the content. The main issue I'm seeing with this is the 10,000 views minimum, which is going to mean that if we get 500 views or 5,000 views, we won't get paid at all unless we have at least 10,000 views. Next, I'm going to sign up for this platform called Clap, which can turn long form content into short form content. Now, if you watched the last video that I made on Whop, I showed you how to use Opus Clip to do this, but recently Opus Clip changed their website so that you can no longer get away with using it for free without there being watermarks on the videos. So I decided to switch over to this platform. I found this video of Ambro, which is on his YouTube channel, and we're going to use this to create our clips. I also signed up using a brand new email for a Clap account since we get to edit one video for completely free. Now I can paste the link in of Ambro's video, and I'm going to leave all of the settings as is. So it's been about 20 minutes and all of our videos are now generated. We can see here that it has used the YouTube video to create these short form pieces of content that we can use. To download any of these videos from Clap, we actually have to pay. So instead, I'm going to screen record these videos so that we can get them for completely free. I've recorded all 3 videos that it made for us, and I'm going to use DaVinci Resolve to format these correctly. If you're looking to do this yourself, I released a step-by-step guide that's available in the top right corner. But keep in mind, if you do follow that guide, you can use Clap instead of Opus Clip to do it for completely free. Keep watching to the end to see how much money we earn from Whop's content rewards program. Now I have successfully made all of our videos into short form content, which we are going to upload onto TikTok. Throughout this video, I'm going to try all 3 platforms, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and we'll see which one performs the best. Now I'm going to go to TikTok and create a fan account for Ambro. Here's the account that I came up with, and I connected this account to my Whop account as well. I uploaded our very first TikTok now, and I'm going to go to Whop and click on submit. Now we can link our TikTok onto our Whop submission, add in our original footage, and submit our first clip. I repeated this 3 times, and we now have 3 TikToks that have been submitted into Ambro's community. At this point, I realized that doing this in 24 hours was not going to work since it can take 48 hours or longer for your submissions to get accepted. So for us to see if we're actually going to earn any money, I decided that we're going to extend the challenge and see if we can earn any money in 3 days. While we were waiting for first submissions to get some views and be accepted, I decided to go over to Preston Go's community and clip some content for him as well. I repeated the same process again by taking his latest YouTube video, signing up for another Clap account, using their 1 free video edit to get 10 pieces of short form content, and I chose 3 that I thought were worth submitting. These shorts were made from Preston's video where he window washes a skyscraper, which I thought was an interesting topic, so I'm hoping that it does well. This time, instead of creating a TikTok account, I made a YouTube channel for Preston Go's clips, and then I uploaded all 3 pieces of content that we made, and I submitted them all, and let's see how they perform tomorrow. Now it's the next day. As we can see, unfortunately, none of our Ambro clips on TikTok got any views at all, but as a solution, I decided to take all of those clips and upload them onto YouTube as well on a brand new YouTube account dedicated to Ambro clips to see if we can get any views out of these videos by posting them on a different platform. One of our Preston Goes clips got 2,400 views, which was promising, but it fell short of the minimum requirement of 5,000 views, and the community's budget actually ran out, using up all $10,000 that they had. So either way, we were not getting paid by this community. After some disappointing results, I decided that we weren't going to give up yet, and we're going to try 2 more communities to see if we can earn some money by the end of this video. I joined this community called the On My Way podcast, and they have tons of requirements that you have to upload daily and do all of these different things. So I decided to ignore the tutorials and guides that they had set up and see if we would still get our content accepted. I created one video from an On My Way podcast YouTube video using Clap and uploaded it to Instagram, and let's see if we can earn any money from that $2 per 1,000 views offer tomorrow. I also joined Caleb Gordon's clipping community, where you can earn $1.50 for every 1,000 views that you get, turning his live stream or content into short form pieces of content. So I took his latest YouTube live stream and turned it into 2 pieces of short form content using Clap. I uploaded it to a brand new YouTube account dedicated to Caleb Gordon clipping. We'll see if we can earn any money from this tomorrow. It is now our 3rd day. Let's see if we made any money. Looking at our first submissions here, I re-uploaded our 3 Ambro TikToks to YouTube, and one of them got 800 views, but none of them got nowhere near the 10,000 minimum requirement, so we did not earn any money from that community. Looking at our On My Way podcast clip, we only got 250 views on our Instagram reel, so we did not reach the 2,000 view minimum requirement as well. We have submitted 6 different clips so far, and we haven't earned any money, but there might be some hope. Our Caleb Gordon clip is currently at over 1,000 views, and it's only going up, so I'll update you guys on the next day to see if we earn any profit and if it gets accepted. Hello everybody, it's been a few days, and now we're going to go over what the results are from all this clipping that we've done. 4 first submissions in the Ambro Clips community. None of our submissions reached the minimum requirements, but we did get 1,800 views on one of these clips here and 91 views on this one, and the rest just had 0. For the submissions on Caleb Gordon's community, we got 1,300 views and 360, so that 1,300 views almost hit the requirement of 2,000, but not quite. And on Preston Goes clipping, we got 3,300 views on one video, which would have actually paid us money if they did not run out of their budget on their content rewards offer, so we didn't make any money there as well. And for the On My Way podcast clip submission, it was rejected, but it wouldn't have reached the minimum requirements anyways, so in total we didn't actually end up earning any money. In conclusion, I think that 3 days wasn't long enough to see if we could actually earn any money, because it's a numbers game. You have to upload 5 or 10 clips every single day, and then eventually you'll get some that actually pay out. So in the future, if you want me to continue and do this for a week or 2 weeks, let me know and I'll continue the challenge.